Hey guys, my name is Pushpinder Saini. Once again I came with a very interesting tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can overlay one view controller to another view controller. Here you can see I have two view controller. One is map and another is address location. Okay. So here what I'm doing, I have this map view controller. From here to I'm sending some data from here and I'm overlaying that one. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you complete about how you can overlay one view controller to another view controller. So without wasting any time, let's begin with development. Okay, now your project is in front of you. Okay, now I will install pod library inside that. So from here I'll go to the project location. From here I'll go to the location and I will copy. I'll paste into my terminal. Sorry, just delete that. CD and paste the new address. And one more thing, delete this one. Okay, because we have to navigate to root folder. So from here, pod init, it will install a pod library inside your project. And finally, pod install. Now you will see the project has been updated with new. So here I will open this one and I will close the old one. Okay, so here it is. Now what we have to do, first thing we have to install the overlay library here, and the library name is overlay container. Now I will again run a command pod install so that this library is successful install in my project. Now it is installed and now I will build so that I can use the library. Now open your project storyboard and here you can see I have one view controller. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will take two more view controller called as view controller 1, and inside this I will take the map and I will copy and paste the same view controller to the another one. Here I'll say details. Okay, now I will create separate folder for this maps. Here I'll create a separate file, one file for map controller, and another one for detail, we can say details. New file, click on Coca-Touch, next, and this is called details. Now click on next button, create, done, and from here import overlay container, and here overlay container view controller. Fine. So now what you have to do, on view did load, first of all you have to find out, and here I'm going to assign the classes. This is my view controller, this is my map view controller, and the ID same. This is my detail view controller, so it will be details. Okay guys, this is details. Now open your view controller. Now take the storyboard, let story equals UI storyboard, and here name of the storyboard is main and bundle is nil. Fine. Now let map controller equal story dot instantiate with a string, and here I'll pass as map controller. I'll copy and paste over here. Sorry, this is like that. Same for another one. Let detail controller equals story dot instantiate with the string as and here will be details view controller. Copy and paste here. Fine. Now finally self dot view controllers, and here pass map view controller comma details view controller. Here it is. Now if you will run, then I don't think it will give the proper output, and I also need to do some changes. Here I'll take the background color of this one as we can say red, and this one we can say white is okay. Yeah, white will be overlay on red. So once again, here you can see red is coming but white is not coming. So what we have to do with that, open your view controller. Inside the view controller, assign the delegates, and delegate will be like that, self dot delegate equals self. Okay, now extension, and here will be view controller dot overlay, sorry, it's overlay view controller delegate, and like that. Okay, now you have extension. One more thing you have to create. First we will override all the methods. Here two methods is there. Yeah, fine. Okay, you have two methods. Now I will create one enums. So enum, and enum will be, we can say notches equals, and it will be type of int and case iterable. Here we can say case, and it will be minimum comma maximum, or we can say medium comma maximum. Okay, so this will be case for my notches. So here notches, we can say return notches dot all classes dot count. Fine. Now what you have to do, here put a switch case for notches dot all classes of index, and if it is dot equals to minimum, then here put some code we need to write. We can say return available space 1 of 5. Okay, means 5 part will be of that and 1 part will be of that. There is no default case, so just remove this one and copy paste, copy paste. This is medium we can say 4, and we can say 2. This is maximum. Now again I will run and we will see the output. This thing you can customize as per your requirement. So here you can see 1 of 5, 1 of 4, and sorry, there is no much difference in between 1 of 4 and 5. So we can say directly divide by 2. This will be divided by 2, and this one we can say the part of 3, 4. Now again I will run and we will see the difference. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay guys, so it's worked like that. So guys, it's working as expected. I hope you are very clear about the overlay layout, how you can achieve your goals. If you have any doubt related to this video, then please comment it to the comment box, because your comments really does matter for me. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that before leaving this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, because on my YouTube channel you will find lots of video related to Swift development, like how you can design a UI tab bar, how you can swipe, how you can use CL location manager, and how you can design your own card view inside the iOS, how you can refresh table view. Many more video you will find on my YouTube channel. So subscribe and keep boosting your skills. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye bye.